Hello, everybody. This is the OpenJS Node.js conference, our foundation public meeting. It's going to be recorded and be available on YouTube. So feel free to also, um, replay it and like us and give us a thumbs up or tell us what you think. With that, let me pass it to Robin.
Yep. Thanks, Max. Welcome, everyone. It's May. We are going to jump right into our public board session. Let's go. Agenda flow is how we typically roll with intro to the board, minutes. We'll have a CPC update, marketing, and then a little bit more about our conference coming up. Okay. Big welcome today to Steve Husak from Capital One. Steve is our new Silver Director. So really want to thank Steve. Steve is an old friend, very active in our working groups, what we call collaboration spaces. You've probably seen Steve speak at OpenJS Worlds and a number of conferences as well. He's on YouTube. Should check it out. So, Steve, you want to give a little quick update on what you do at Capital One?
Sure. I'm a distinguished engineer, which means I'm an individual contributor, and I support what we call our collaborative engineering space, which is our open source program office, our inner source program office, and our programming excellence centers. So we have COPs for each of our main languages at Capital One. So I set the technical direction and help guide the teams towards responsible contributions and responsible consumption of open source software. So that's what I do on a day job.
Thank you, and welcome. Welcome.
Happy to be here.
Great. Jump right out. We lost some folks following our private session, which went a little long. So we're going to skip the meeting minutes approval. We'll do that via email and then share that out. Next up, CPC update. Let's hit that. I know we had a couple of folks drop. Let's see. I think we had our CPC folks drop, so I can kind of give an update. Our cross-project council, we meet bi-weekly, and then we have working sessions in between. We've been getting a lot of work done, doing a lot of work, just kind of updating some processes on the code of conduct. And we also discussed moving up to V3, which is in progress from the contributor covenant team. A lot of great work. And so I know if you have feedback, I think they're still open, but it's pretty much near final. So the CPC decided let's update all of our processes and update V3, then we'll cascade all of that information to our projects. And also just kind of doing some spring cleaning, which we tend to do every year to make our information more discoverable from the work we're doing on GitHub as well as the website. So those are primarily it. I know, Jordan, you're pretty active in the CPC. Did I miss anything?
I think that seems to cover it.
Okay, awesome. Great. Kylie, you want to give us a marketing update?
Yes, hi everyone. So, quick little social update for you. Looking pretty good on our OpenJS socials. These are all pretty standard numbers for us this month. And as a reminder, these are April numbers. I know it's May, but we always do 1 month prior. So these are pretty standard. We are on Blue Sky. Tell your friends we're working on building our following. And hopefully at a later date, we can present more well-rounded metrics to you. We can hit the next one. I'll talk about Node.js, which shout out Node.js, good growth here this month. Our impressions were way up, which is great, as well as our page views and profile visits. So looking good. Team's been hard at work on all things security, and Node.js 24 just came out a few weeks ago as well. So looking really good. We're also on Blue Sky for Node.js. So give us a follow. And yeah, things are looking strong. We can hit the next one. I'll kind of share a little bit about what we've been up to. So you can check out our blog for all of this or our social channels, but we welcomed a new incubating project in the last month, Cosmos GL. We're really excited about that. And then, as I already mentioned, Node.js 24 is live. And then I'm sure you've seen these beautiful bright yellow graphics all over social. But JSConf is coming this October. We just announced our featured keynote speakers, and they are just lovely. And we're really excited to share those with you. So check those out. Registration is open. And if you would like to also go to NGConf, we have some discounted tickets available for JSConf and NGConf. So big shout out to our friends at NGConf for making that happen with us. And then I have another slide on the Node Next 10 survey, so I will pause on that. And then we also had a blog about our board members. So once again, welcome, Steve. But yeah, good stuff coming out in the last month. But let's dive in a little deeper on JSConf so we can hit that next slide. Ben, thank you. Oh, cool. This got mixed up, but that's okay. Node.js Next 10 survey is out. It's open until May 30th, which is a week from today. We're already seeing tons of really great feedback. So if you want to take that survey, head over to the Node.js social channels. We've been posting about it there. Click the link. It'll take you about 5 to 7 minutes to give your feedback. But we really appreciate it. And the Next 10 group uses that to set their priorities and direction for the next year. So take that. Let us know what you think. Next, there we go. Now we'll talk about JSConf. General admission tickets are available. Sponsorships are also still open. And as I mentioned, our featured speakers are live on the website. So you can head over to that link, JSConf North America, and check out all of these things. Register if your company's interested in sponsoring. Those are still open as well. So check it out, and we hope you'll join us in some way for JSConf. Okay, next. Oh, that's it. That's it for me. So Robin, I'll pass it back to you if you have anything more to add.
Yeah, I think just a quick note on JSConf, it's a different approach for us this year. It's a 3-day event where day 2 is choose your own adventure. It's so no talks, more fun and social connections. Bring your families. There'll be activities for people of all ages. So yeah, it'll be really great. And we're working with our sponsors to really build out these sort of interactive experiences. Taking and doing everything kind of beach and fall hay rides and things like that. So it'll be a great event, not just to learn on day 1 and 3, but to really make those important social connections, which are important in open source. So that's all I have today. Anyone else from the board? Any other updates? Great. Max, you want to close us out?
Yeah, thank you. And I think the conference is super exciting. So we'll welcome everybody. If you can get a spot, it's they're running out. Anyway, join us again next month, I guess for July. Do we have the date for that, Robin?
The next board meeting?
Yep.
So our board meetings are always the 4th Fridays of the month.
There we go. So
There you go.
you
Yeah,
can compute it.
there
All
you
right.
go. All right.
Thank you,
All right.
everybody.
Thanks,
Ciao.
everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.